Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see that is a model question paper, 8th standard first language. So children, we have told you to learn for the test. Then I sent the portion also. So portion, if you want, I will tell you again. Prose 1 and 2 lesson. That is Heavenly Parasol and Benjamin Jones goes swimming. Then second unit, a boy who sold wisdom. Then poem is leisure. So children, that is 9 and 10. Now coming to the question, I believe you would have revised, learned all the portions. Now again see that I'll brush up your memory while ask you the questions. The swimming meet took place on 4th of July. It is in the poem only, isn't it? And I showed you that 4th of July is considered what? America's Republic Day also. The swimming competition was A or an. That is dash. You have to fill in the blank. Acclaimed competition or absurd meet or invitational meet or free for all meet. So these 4 choices are there and you have to select the correct one. The swimming competition was A, free for all meet. Third, Benjamin's wife said that he would come last because he hadn't gone swimming for years. It was a free for all meet. There were wonderful swimmers participating. He was not fast enough. Fast enough means yes, speed. He hadn't gone swimming for years because he didn't go for practice for many years. That's it. She said that he would come last. Third question. Okay, fourth question. The swimmers passed Benjamin on the right and the left because that is they were overtaking him on his left side and the right side. Why? He was swimming in the middle lane. There was a crab in the center, or he was slow, or they did not want to trouble him. He was slow. That's why all the swimmers superseded him. So they overtook him. Fifth question, Benjamin's wife fell into the water because she was shocked to see him with the competition. She was shocked to see a crab trying to grab his toe. She was shocked to see the swimmers overtake Benjamin from the left and right. And she was tempted to join the competition. Why she fell into the water? She was shocked to see him win the competition. Then sixth question, what prompted Benjamin to win fast? Why he swam fast? His wife's words that he could not win, or the thought of the crab grabbing his toe, or seeing the other swimmers overtake him, or his claim that he could win if he tried. So what? The thought of the crab grabbing his toe. Amritaprabha was the princess of Lanka, Kashmir, Prajyotisha, or Mathura. Answer, Prajyotisha. The parasol belonged to Bhama, Varuna, Vibhishana, Meghavahana. Whom it belonged? It belonged to Varuna, Lord of Seven Seas, Lord of Seas. To please the gods and to save his son's life. Why? The barbarian wanted to kill the man. Why? To please the gods and to save his son's life. As he was wandering alone in the forest because the man's life was of no significance. Then next, 10th, the king of Lanka was dash Ravana, Vibhishana, Dushasana, or Bhama. Vibhishana. You read in the text of Vibhishana only. Meghavana rescued both the victim and the barbarian's son by making them disappear, taking them to Lanka, offering to kill himself in sacrifice, or using the power of the parasol. Offering to kill himself in sacrifice. Meghavana wanted to conquer the island of Lanka. He wanted to get the parasol from Vibhishana. He wanted to impose the law against killing of living beings on them. He wanted to teach the demos the ways of peace, or he wanted to become the sovereign of the whole world. He wanted to impose the law against the killing of living beings on them. 13th, the poem Leisure is about leisure time activities, standing and staring like the cows, what we are missing in broad daylight, or taking time to notice the little things. Here, leisure, the poem Leisure is about taking time to notice the little things. It is telling us to take time to notice the little things. That is, it is about leisure. And we should take advantage of a little time on this earth too. Or what? Stand beneath the bow, notice the beauty every day holds, watch the stream full of stars, or watch the dance of music, nature. Notice notice that, yeah, notice that is the beauty every day holds. And 15th one, what do squirrels hide in the grass? That is nuts, lizards, fruits, vegetables, nuts. 16th, no time to turn to beauty's glance refers to. So beauty of nature, beauty of the woods, beauty of the skies at night, beauty of stream full of stars. So what is the correct? Beauty of nature is correct. How has beauty been personified in the poem Leisure? It can dance and smile. It can be seen everywhere. We can stand and stare at its beauty. We can see her in broad daylight. So answer is it can dance and smile. The next 18th, what do we fail to notice when we pass the woods? Bows, cows, sheep, or squirrels hiding their nuts. The answer is squirrels hiding their nuts. 19th, Nagendra opened a shop to sell wisdom, vegetables, pen and paper, or clothes. Wisdom. The people who came to Nagendra's shop could not see anything in the shop as the shop was empty. He sold wisdom that could not be seen. Everything was sold out. Nagendra made things disappear. The correct one is he sold wisdom that could not be seen. And Nagendra made things disappear. This 21st question. Then Baba asked Nagendra the cost of a kg of wisdom because he was stupid. He didn't know what is really being sold. He thought it was vegetable or a thing he could hold in his hand, or all of the above. So this is all of the above. Then next, Nagendra sold wisdom by kg, liter, or quality or quantity. So the answer is quality. Then next, Babu's father was furious because Babu had been fooled. Babu had wasted a nickel to buy wisdom. Babu had tied wisdom in his turban cloth, or Nagendra had cheated his son. So what is the answer? That is, Babu had wasted a nickel to buy wisdom. Then 24th, what had Gupta to do to get back his money? He had to sign document saying his son will never use the advice. He had to return the wisdom his son had bought. He had to sign that his son would always stand and watch two people fight. And all of the above. The dispute between two mates was over. Oh, that is wisdom, grocery, then scrap of paper or pumpkins. So the dispute was over a pumpkin. And Babu was in panic because the mates wanted him as witness. Each of the mates threatened to have his head chopped off if he had not supported them, if he did not support them, or his father would have to give 500 rupees to Nagendra, or the king had called him as a witness. So that is each of the mates threatened to have his head chopped off if he did not support them. And the advice given by Nagendra to Babu when he went there his second time was, To stand to watch two people and fight, not to give witness against the maids, to ask forgiveness of a king, to pretend to be insane. So that answer is to pretend to be insane. Who was called as witness before the king? Babu, Gupta, maids, Nagendra. Babu. Then 29th, what on earth are you doing? Identify the given sentence. Imperative, declarative, exclamatory, or interrogative. Exclamatory. I cannot believe him to be the murderer. Identify the given sentence. That is declarative. There is a roof dash over us. Appropriate preposition. The film has been on at the theaters dash. That is since. Why since? From the difference between since for, that is if you know the time perfectly, you should use since only. So that is since July. She hasn't been here dash. Then that is a month. Use the correct expression. Yeah, has been here then for a month. Then next one is dash seat was occupied. Either, neither, each, every. Every seat was occupied. Then dash pickle is really hot. Which pickle is really hot? 34. That is, I borrowed the book from Tina. That is transitive. Why transitive? Because you know the verb is borrowed, you know the time of action. His dash brought honor. Use the correct word. His brilliance. So brilliance is noun, brilliant is adjective. So his brilliance brought honor. And I have to go to a meeting dash, that is at 12:30 p.m. The 37. The author of the poem Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming is Oscar Wilde, W.H. Davis, Eileen Fisher, or Rudyard Kipling. Eileen Fisher is the answer. The author of the prose Leisure is Oscar Wilde, W.H. Davis, Eileen Fisher, or Rudyard Kipling. W.H. Davis. The bird is sleeping in dash its nest peacefully. And Mr. Khan has built a dash house on the hills. A large house on the hills. Okay, dear. I believe then you will do the test very well, because simply then by hearting the answers writing is not good. Always you should understand why that answer is correct. I believe you will follow. Thank you, children.